Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video I will guide you through troubleshooting the ERR Authority Invalid error on Chrome. And now let's get started. This error often pops up due to an issue with your system's date and time settings or an outdated browser. Let's first ensure your system clock is accurate. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu. On the left-hand side, navigate to the Time and Language tab and then select Date and Time in the right pane. Locate the three switches for setting time automatically, setting time zone automatically, and synchronizing your clock. Turn all three of these switches on. After that, click on Sync Now and patiently wait until you see a tick mark, indicating the synchronization is complete. This step is crucial as an incorrect system time can cause certificate validation failures. Once your system time is synchronized, let's address your browser. Search for Chrome or whichever Chromium-based browser you are experiencing this error on. Open the browser, and then click on the three dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Help and then click on About Chrome. This action will automatically update your Chrome browser to the latest version. In many cases, updating the browser to its most recent iteration resolves the ERR Authority Invalid error. If the problem persists after updating your browser and ensuring your system time is correct, the issue might lie with the website itself. As an example, if you are encountering this error on the Roblox website, you should search for Roblox server status. This will help you determine if the website's servers are currently operational or experiencing an outage. Checking the server status of the website can often reveal if the problem is on their end rather than yours. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.